Hey guys, 5 Play-Doh surprises today to open. Let's open this very big Play-Doh surprise. So guess who is inside? And inside is Minion. Actually, this is Chief Minion. And he made cookies for us. Actually, this is cakes. Oh, look at him. I think these cakes are delicious. Are you agree, guys? Let me fix here with a Play-Doh. And let's now open this violet Play-Doh surprise. And who is inside? And inside is little pony. And this is Pinkie Pie. Look at her hair. She has such a beautiful curly hair and such big eyes. She's very beautiful. Wow, look here. His white Play-Doh surprise and it's very tall. And inside is Woody Pride. Oh, Sheriff Woody. Look at him. He's from Toy Story. And he wears a brown hat and blue trousers. Oh, look at him! Well, guys, now this yellow Play-Doh surprise, and who's inside? Minnie Mouse! Oh, hello, Minnie, you're so sweet. Oh, look at your polka dot dress. I love this pink dress and pink bow. Wow, and I love your pink shoes and oh, you're so beautiful, Minnie. Well, guys, the last surprise to open, and who is inside? Oh, and inside Mickey Mouse. Hello, Mickey. Oh, Mickey usually wears these red trousers with 2 white buttons and white gloves and yellow boots. Hello, Mickey. Glad to see you here. Thank you for watching us. We are always glad to see you at Kids Toys channel. To have more fun, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.